English places in town. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about places in town, useful phrases that help you talk about common locations and daily activities. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me. Practice step by step and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Anna's busy day in town. Anna wakes up early and thinks, today is going to be a busy day. First, she needs money, so she decides to go to the bank. She withdraws some cash and smiles. Next, she has a letter for her friend. She walks to the post office to send it. Great! One task done, she says. After that, she wants to cook lunch. She goes to buy in the market. The market is crowded and colorful. Then she remembers, I need more groceries. So she visits a big supermarket to buy fruit, snacks, and milk. At noon, she feels hungry. She decides to eat at a restaurant. She enjoys a bowl of hot soup. In the afternoon, she wants to relax. She takes a fresh walk and decides to walk in the park. The trees and flowers calm her mind. Suddenly, she receives a call from her friend. Anna, I'm at the clinic. Anna runs quickly to go to the hospital to see her. After that, Anna remembers her homework. She returns to town and goes to study at school for 2 hours. In the evening, she wants fun. She buys a ticket and decides to watch at the cinema. The movie is exciting. Before going home, she stops at the museum to visit a new art exhibition. She enjoys every painting. At the end of the day, Anna says, what a long day, but I enjoyed every place. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Anna's busy day in town. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Anna wakes up early. Who wakes up early? Anna. Why? She has a busy day. Is she sleeping? No, she needs money. Where does she go first? To the bank. Why does she go to the bank? To get money. Is she going to a park? No, she has a letter. Where does she send it? At the post office. Does she send a package or a letter? A letter. Does she finish the task? Yes, she wants to cook. Where does she buy food? In the market. Is the market quiet? No, crowded. What does she buy later? More groceries. She visits a supermarket. What kind of supermarket? A big supermarket. What does she buy? Fruit, snacks, and milk. Is the supermarket small? Number. She feels hungry. Where does she eat? At a restaurant. What does she enjoy? A bowl of hot soup. Is she cooking at home? Number. In the afternoon, she relaxes. What does she do? Walk in the park. How does she feel there? Calm. Is she running? Number. Her friend calls her. Where does Anna go? To the hospital. Why? To see her friend. Is she going to the museum? No, she remembers homework. Where does she study? At school. For how long? 2 hours. Is she studying at home? No, she wants to watch a movie. Where does she go? To the cinema. Is the movie boring? No, exciting. Does she watch TV? Number. Before going home, where does she stop? At the museum? What does she do there? Visit an art exhibition. Does she enjoy the paintings? Yes, excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about places in town. Today, you practiced phrases like go to the bank, send at the post office, buy in the market, a big supermarket, eat at a restaurant, walk in the park, go to the hospital, study at school, watch at the cinema, and visit the museum. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, Practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.